Good morning, students. In this video, I would like to discuss about the components required for a general purpose image processing system. So, if you look at the diagram, we are going to find image sensors, specialized image processing hardware, computer, then we have some storage, image processing software, image displays, hard copy. So these are the basic components we require for processing any of the image along with the network. Okay, first we have a problem domain, right? So problem domain, it may be any application. So depending on application of the image processing, the problem domain may be anything. Okay. So first we have image sensors. The basic application of image sensors is to capture the image. So to capture the image, we require image sensors. These image sensors, they consist of two parts. One is a physical device, which will sense the energy radiated by the object, and the second device, which is called as digitizer. So digitizer, it is used to convert analog image into digital image. Please try to understand. It consists of two parts: a physical device, which is used to collect the energy radiated by the object. By using that energy, the image is formed, but the image formed will be of analog form. Okay. So to convert this analog image into digital image, there exists one more part which is called as digitizer. So this digitizer, it converts analog image which is captured into a digital form. And after that, we have a specialized image processing hardware. So mainly this image processing hardware, it is used to perform some specialized operation. So depending on the application, it performs some specialized operation with high speed. A very good example for image processing hardware is a graphical card. We use many times a graphics card along with the system to perform some specialized operations. Here, one of the example is the specialized image processing hardware. It may perform average of the images captured so as to reduce the noise. Then after that, we have a computer. So computer, mainly it is used to process the image in offline. Offline processing of the image means processing the image after it is captured. So here computer, it may be a simple PC, or even it may be a supercomputer. Any type of computer can be used depending on the application of image processing. Then after that, there exists a storage device. Here it is depicted as the mass storage. The mass storage, as the name itself indicates, it is used to store the images. To store the image, we require large storage space, because usually these images, they acquire more memory space. But there may exist three different types of storage devices. First one can be referred to as short-term storage, which can be used to process the image, which can be used while the image is under processing. Then we can have online storage, which is used for relatively fast recall of the image. The example is we can use cache memory. Then we may require a storage for frequent usage of the image. So the example for frequent usage of the image is hard disk. Please try to understand. Short-term storage, it is an example of RAM. Simply RAM we can use as short-term storage. So it is mainly required while the image is being processed. Then we require online storage for fast accessing of the image. The very good example is cache memory. The next, we may require the storage for frequent usage. The very good example for this is the hard disk. Okay, because once the image is stored in the hard disk, it can be accessed any number of times. Frequently, that image can be used for processing purpose. Then there may exist image processing software. So it is mainly consists of the programming modules to process the image. To carry out many of the operations on the image, we can make use of the image processing software. The example for image processing software may include MATLAB. So MATLAB, it supports a lot of image processing operations. These image processing operations can be carried out by using any image processing software. Then we may require image display. So mainly the color monitor can be used as a display device in case of image processing system. And we can use the printers and even plotters for the purpose of getting hard copy of the image. To get hard copy of the image, we require some device such as we may require laser printers, we may require a plotter also. Okay. Then along with this, we require some networking option also. So network mainly it is required for transmission of the image or for online processing of the image. So as the images, they carry a lot of information. We can make use of either broadcast networks or we can make use of the fiber optical networks for processing of the images. Okay, these are the basic components we require in any image processing system. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video.